Thank you so
So
much.
these are the tacos,
You
both the
लोग
versions,
support करने के लिए
the hard shell and the soft shell. They look yummy. If they look yummy, they taste also yummy. Welcome back to another session of Cook and Connect. Today we're going to be doing some Mexican starters. So we will be doing some tacos. These are some basic ingredients which you require for a taco. Some Spanish onions, red yellow capsicum. I'm going to be making it a vegetarian one. So what I will be doing, I will be putting a lot of veggies in it. So I have some zucchini, fresh tomato, fresh red chili, fresh coriander, some cheese, taco spices, olive oil, and I have two kinds of tacos. One is the hard shell and one is the soft shell tacos. These are both available readily in any departmental stores. It's very easy. It takes 5 minutes, but it's very refreshing to eat. It depends upon you what kind of stuff you want to put it in. You want to make a vegetarian, you want to make a chicken, you want to make a beef taco. This is how you do it, but these are some of the basic ingredients which you require. Some sour cream, guacamole to it when you're finishing it, so that it's very appetizing, very cheesy, and yeah, as it's on a spicier side, yeah, Mexican food is spicy and you need some spices to it. That's why I use a Mexican taco seasoning, because it have all those spices which you require to get that Mexican feel in your tacos. Stop. Your taco, my non-stick pan is piping hot, so I will be adding some olive oil to it. See? Then I add some fresh red chili. This is from my kitchen garden. This is the first produce of the year. I'm not going to cook them very well. I just have to saute them to the extent that the rawness goes off and they are translucent. Same goes with my onions. At this moment, I would like to add some salt to it. So I need to check on my salt, because my taco seasoning will also have some salt to it. I need to see here, you can hear that tossing sound. So yeah, as I'm putting zucchini to it, zucchini takes slightly longer time to cook. So I will be adding it first. Here now I'm going to be adding some peppers. You can use both red and yellow peppers. See the vibrancy in the color. Some green capsicum. I will just toss them up. I'm going to heat them up. I'm not going to fully cook them. Some tomatoes. It's been 3 or 4 minutes. My veggies have been cooked. It should not be overcooked. You should have the feel and the crunchiness when you have a bite. I'm going to add some taco spice to it. Be careful. It have very big openings, so be careful that you don't put a lot of spice. Spices can be added after this being taken out and put it in a pan. Also, yeah, if you have some hot spices like sauces like a spicy sauce, sriracha sauce, you can add Tabasco to it. I personally prefer some sriracha. It's hot, it has that vinegary taste, and it will give a kick to the tacos. See, it's very easy, very simple. You just cook it for. See, my veggies are been already cooked. You can see the color. They are not overcooked and been killed. It's. You can check the seasoning. See, I want my tacos to be cheesy. So what I will be doing, I will be putting some cheese to it. So you can use any kind of a cheese. I personally prefer adding the pizza, the mozzarella cheese, which is done for the pizzas, so that you can see the stringiness when you have a bite of your tacos. See, now this is like a cheesy mixture of veggies, cheese, and all those spices. This I'm going to be encasing in my two kinds of tacos. The hard shell tacos, very simple. You just have to add in the veggies. You add in the veggies. It's already seasoned, ready to go. My oven is ready, preheated. I will be putting some cheese on top of it. Once again, I had filled my hard shell tacos. See, though the mixture had some cheese, I will be topping it with some more cheese. And then this goes in an air fryer, which is preheated and waiting for me for another 4 minutes in the air fryer. Your shells will be cooked, your mixtures will be ready, and here it goes. This is the tortilla flour, tortilla bread. Very simple, very easy to make. Takes a good time to make. You don't have to keep it open because it will dry up. Yeah. It's simple, very simple. See, now I'm going to put some coriander to it because this you cannot see afterwards. See it, it's the same veggies and the cheese one. Then I'm going to fold them. Simple. I have a hot plate which is soft shell taco. Goes on a hot plate. Very simple, very easy. I dredge a little bit of olive oil so that it gives you a good color. So you don't have to cook it on a very high flame, very low flame, so that the cheese also gets cooked inside. See, now I have tossed them around, so they have a very good golden color. They are slowly getting heated up, and I can feel and see the cheese is melting. You can serve them with some sour cream, some salsa, some dipping sauce like a peri mayo, something. See, my soft shell tacos are done, and I'm just waiting for my hard shell tacos. You can see the golden color on the cheese. So another 1 minute, tacos are done, ready to eat. These are my